Hey, what's going on? This is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And during this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you could actually go about earning income, possibly a full-time income, online without any starting cost. That's right, you heard me right. Without any money, you could actually go on to earn an income without any starting cost. So, me personally, I find this very exciting, and I'm just going to walk you through the steps real quick. Now, before I do this, though, I do want to preface this. I do want to say this, okay? If you are in a position where you have literally zero money, the chances of you going on to, let me just say this, okay? You have an opportunity to start something for free. You have an opportunity to go out and generate leads and make sales with no money, okay? Literally create income out of thin air here. So what I recommend is, go ahead and watch the video. I'm going to tell you where to go. You're going to click on a link right below this video. It's actually going to be on the document I'm going to show you. Go ahead and click on that link, create your free account. But what I want to advise you is don't just go, it's a free account, and not really do anything with it. I want to advise you to go, okay, I have a tremendous opportunity here that could completely change my life, and I'm going to take it seriously. I'm going to commit to this. I'm going to use this to my advantage, and I'm going to go make something of it. And that's what I want you to do as I'm going through this video. I just want you to commit to that right now. Set that intention and go, I'm going to go out and I'm going to create a full-time income with this opportunity. No matter what obstacles come my way, I am going to do it. All right? Because, again, just to reiterate, it is completely no cost. There is no cost here whatsoever to start earning commissions. So I put a quick document together. Obviously, when you go into the back office, there's going to be a lot of different videos. When you go into the back office of this program, what you want to do, there's a blue button and it says launch videos. You're going to want to go through all those videos so you get familiar with what's in there. Okay, what it's about, how you can earn everything. This is not a full compensation review or anything like that. I'm going over just basics here, and that is it, just basics. All right, so how to make money online without any money. Now, this is something, I've been marketing online now just about 8 years. I'm coming up on 8 years now. And one of the things I find quite often is people come to me and they go, yeah, Paul, I really want an opportunity. I really just need a chance to go on. But the problem is I have no money, okay? And up until this point, I have always had to go, okay, well, you can go to ClickBank, which, people don't know what to do there. So I really didn't have too many opportunities that were of no cost to get started that would actually go out and pay you commissions, even as what we call a trial member, a free member, a no cost, no startup whatsoever. So I didn't have that. Now I've had things where you could be a free member, and then if you refer like 3 people, you would get paid possibly, or you get upgraded into a product, but you may not get paid. And for someone that's coming in at free, that typically isn't something that they can do. I mean, it's not that they can't do it, it's just they won't do it. They won't do it. So that's why I like this so much. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go here to step 1. You want to click on this link, paulgfarmer.com/pro. And what you want to do is you want to create your free account. So it's not going to cost you a dime. There's no credit card to give, nothing. Completely free. And you want to go create your free account. So the next thing, step 2, like I said, you want to go through the training. You want to go through what's in there. And there's a lot in there. There's a lot in there for free members, honestly. Part of me thinks it's too much. But there's a lot in there. So there's training in there that will get you off and running, tell you what to do. They're going to talk about mindset. They're going to give you some specific marketing strategies, and you'll be able to grab your link. So that's step 3. Grab your link, and you'll be able to go and start sharing it with other people. And again, like I said, it doesn't cost anything. So there's absolutely no cost barrier whatsoever here. So you should never hear, oh, I can't afford it, because that's ridiculous. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. So you should never hear that, okay? If you hear that, that's just the person doesn't want to do anything anyway, and you should leave that person alone. They're not qualified whatsoever. If you cannot come in and do a free product, I don't know what to tell you, you know? That pays you commissions, I don't know what to tell you. I guess you like being broke. I don't know. I speak my mind. If you haven't followed me for a while, I speak my mind. So step 3, get your affiliate link. As a trial member, you can earn $25 commissions when you refer someone that purchases what's called the Fast Track product, okay? So let me just say this again, because this really does excite me, because I really feel like this is a win for the little guy. This is a win for those that, so if you just don't have the money, or you're just too afraid to part with that money, no problem. Come in as a trial member, no startup cost, and you can go out, learn some simple skills, sharing this with other people. You're going to have a little link, a little affiliate link. It's not like this, but not exactly this. It's different. This is my pretty link for my blog, but you'll have an affiliate link that you can share with people that will tell them about the opportunity. There's a video. Everything is there for you. You don't have to recreate the wheel. It's all done, okay? And they even show you how to do that. So as a trial member, you can earn $25 commissions. And I just think that's fantastic, because like I said, I've been doing this for 8 years, just about 8 years. And I don't believe I've ever seen anything that's completely free where you can earn commissions this quick on one sale. I'm not saying multiple sales. I'm saying one sale, you can earn commissions. And the way this is set up, it's set up in a way where it will take you from zero. So we're at zero, right? We didn't put any money in, no investment whatsoever. And it will take you, there's 2 products, okay? There's something called Fast Track and there's something called Infinity. The goal is to get to Infinity. The goal is to get your team to Infinity. That is the goal. That's where you're going to make the bigger income. I'm not going deep into the compensation plan on this video. Definitely go get your free account. There are tons of videos in there that go over the compensation plan that you can review. Get the free account by clicking on the link right below this video, or what I showed you above. Just paulgfarmer.com/pro. All right, so from here, what happens is, let's say you refer 2 people, which is pretty simple to do. In the last couple of weeks, I've referred 40 people so far, and I haven't put this is the first video I've done about this. And I haven't put it out on Facebook. I really haven't done a lot with it, okay? So anyway, you can get, if you get 2, when you get 2 Fast Track members. Now, just to let you know, the Fast Track is awesome. It's $39. Now, if you have some money, you can start right there. And what that will do is that will give you excellent training that's going to show you a very effective and simple and free strategy, so you can literally be making these sales daily. You can literally be bringing people in at the $39 and making $25 commissions daily. But that's not the big picture here, okay? That's small. That's not the big picture. But anyway, so you make your 25. When you get 2 of these, so let's say you come in for free, no startup cost whatsoever. You didn't want to pay the $39 to start. You get 2 people in. That's going to give you $50. And what that's going to do is it's going to automatically upgrade you to the Fast Track product. And now you have the product. You can go through the product. You can learn the effective, simple, free strategies that allow you to go out and absolutely bring in new members daily, bringing you in $25 commissions. Of course, you got to do the work, right? You got to go through the training. You got to do the work. That's very important. But that's the first product. The next product, so that's $39, okay? So it's a $39 product. The next product is going to be $96, and that is Infinity, okay? And the same thing applies. You're just going to keep bringing in these $25 commissions, and eventually you will make enough where you will be upgraded into the Infinity product. And what happens is all your commissions are paid, so your products are paid through your commissions. And you can just keep doing this. And as you grow, and as you get better, and as you have more people go through this process that you went through, and you teach them what you did, and they go and do it, your income can skyrocket. Again, I am not doing a full compensation plan video. To do that, go ahead, create your free account, click on the launch button, like launch videos. There's a little blue button, you'll see it. And you can go back there and you can review the entire compensation plan. You can review everything. It's all in there. You never paid anything, but you can go in and review it. Now, as a Fast Track member, you're going to make $25 every commission. Every time someone upgrades to Fast Track, you're going to make $25. Your sponsor is going to be paid $7. Okay? So that's really it. There isn't much else to go over here. Just follow the steps. Step one, so if you want to go on, if you would like to be making more income, if you don't have much money, if you're on a shoestring budget, then what you want to do, or you just don't want to spend any money. You don't want to spend any money. Then go to the link right here, create your free account, go through the training videos, learn what's back there. That's so important, by the way, because what happens a lot of the time when people sign up for things that are free, I'm not saying you're going to do this, but when they sign up for things that are free, they don't respect them. That's typically why I tell people you got to put skin in the game. So if I was doing this, so I'm all in. I have the top product level. So if I was doing this and I wanted to be on the Fast Track and I wanted to get to a full-time income fast versus slow, what I would do is I would purchase both products. That's what I would do. But I understand not everybody can do this. Basically, everything I do what I can to position myself where I'm going to earn the most income the fastest. That's what I like to do. That's my recommendation. But again, not everybody can do that. So I just think this is a fantastic opportunity for you if you are in that space where you're just like, man, I really need an opportunity. I just don't have much money. I don't have any money to spare. Here you go. Here's an opportunity for you. You do not need to stay telling that sad story where you don't have money. You don't need to do that. It's not necessary. And I want to let you know as well, to all the people, so when you decide to go to Fast Track, just Fast Track. I give you access to, I have a private group where I've recorded training where I walk you through step by step exactly what to do, how to attract. I mean, you're going to get this kind of training in the Fast Track if you have Fast Track. But as a bonus, I mean, I go into some other things as well that they don't go into. And I also do live training as well. So you'll be invited to my live training as well. Right now, I'm even doing it as for free members, but that could change in the future. But I really want to see you win. Like I said, I've been in this industry for 8 years, just about 8 years. And I've worked with countless people. I've sponsored thousands, literally thousands of people. So I know what I'm doing. You know, I can help you. I'm very confident I can help you. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying I know I can help you. I know what I bring to the table. And a free offer or a $39 offer is extremely, extremely, extremely simple to share with other people. We're not talking a lot of money here, okay, to start. So I hope you got value. Go ahead and click that link right below this video. Go ahead and create your free account. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sending you an email. Now, we do have an optional marketing system you can get for dirt cheap one-time payment. Okay, that's an optional marketing system. I am going to send you an email. Once you get started, even as a free member, I send you an email. So watch your email. It'll be coming from me, Paul G. Farmer. You'll see it. And I'll have all the getting started information. I'll have the information about how you can upgrade. I'll have the information about how you can get the marketing system. I will have all of that information for you so you can get up and running quickly and go on to possibly earn a significant income. Okay, so I appreciate you. I hope and trust you got some value from this video. And with that, I'll see you on the inside.